Welcome to Pompano Beach Vibes. This video is about my amazing cat doggy, Rusty, as he happily fetches with major enthusiasm as you can hear him meow for more. In this video alone, Rusty fetches 5 times with gusto and happiness. I want the world to know about the special life of this tabby boy. Now he changed me, my life, and my outlook to the universe. He was a special boy who loved his younger adopted sister, Coco, whom we adopted in December 2011, and is 3 years younger than Rusty. Loving, playful, curious, zoomies, ham, sun worshiper, loving older brother, slept with sister, Mets fan, so regal. It's the amazing life of my cat doggy, Rusty Boo Boo Tiger. December 6, 2025, I recorded this video to be a feature at the end of my 2025 Christmas videos, with Rusty and I wishing you a Merry Christmas. But the thought of this would be a start of sharing Rusty in future videos.
Have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and enjoy the rest of your beautiful day. Thank you. Bye-bye now. Say bye.
Sadly, on Christmas Day 2025, Rusty, my beautiful boy, passed away of kidney failure in my arms while in the comfort of his home at 1:39 p.m. at the age of 17 years and 7 months, which is the equivalent of 87-year-old as a human. Our focus is on the greatness that Rusty brought to our world. Born May 20th, 2008, and raised by non-profit Animals Can't Talk Rescue and Adoption out of East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. 3 months later, August 19th, I walk into PetSmart and this non-profit with cats. As I walked by, Rusty reached outside of the cage to put his paw up to me. So cute. Then I went in for bird food. I watched from afar to see if Rusty would do that to anyone else in the store, and many people walked past and Rusty never reached out to anyone. I decided to go see Rusty again, and he put his paw out to me. That reaffirmed that Rusty chose me, and I took him home with a lot of cat supplies. This is Rusty's actual adoption photo. This is our very first photo of Rusty at the age of 9 months old, laying belly up, exposing himself to my wife. You can see he is so happy. I often pick up Rusty like you see here in this picture, with his arms and legs extended, and would hold him up high by his thighs and run around the house humming the Superman theme as he does high acrobatic maneuvers. It was so cool. Rusty always wanted more and couldn't get enough of the G-force excitement and experience. Rusty was very playful, as you can see Rusty going to town on this apple basket as he goes through his kitten zoomies. This is Rusty, 1 month short of his 2nd birthday. Rusty was always curious and interacted often with my African gray parrot and various fish tanks throughout the house. At our Poconos home, we would put out wild bird food to attract wild birds. Here is Rusty going to the zoomies, watching the birds through the screen window. Miss Ham on his 3rd Christmas at age 2.5. Here is Rusty, 3 months shy of his 3-year-old birthday, loving his favorite toy to sleep with. Rusty loved our front living room bay window in the Poconos so he could sunbathe while watching all the wild migrating birds that we attract with bird feeders year-round in our front and backyards. Here's my happy boy at 3 years old, belly up and exposed without a care in the world. Rusty gets a 2011 Christmas present with our adopted 3-month-old tuxedo female, Coco Chanel. The family moves to Pompano Beach in Southeast Florida in August 2013. Rusty and Coco are getting along beautifully in their new home. At age 9,
Rusty developed a high thyroid disease. Started with pills orally twice a day for about 5 years, and then met this wonderful veterinarian, Dr. Mark Stevens, in 2021, and offered a better solution with an ear transdermal of methimazole. In total, my beautiful cat doubled his life with medication and help from wonderful vets like Dr. Mark Stevens, who I wish to highlight here. Dr. Mark Stevens, who has rescued my cat in more ways than one. She had an issue with crystals in her urine, and it was going on for such a long time. And we finally worked it out with Care Credit and the doctor, and this is the man who performed the surgery, and my cat has been literally reborn. She's very happy, and all credit to this man. Please look at me, sir. There he is. This is a great veterinarian, and we need more like him, and I couldn't be in better hands.
Hi, boo-boo.
This is where Rusty separates himself from the other cats, and one of the main reasons I call him a Cat-Doggy. You can see how enthusiastic and happy Rusty is to fetch tiny balls and bring them back over and over again. What a special guy. Does your cat fetch like Rusty?
Ready? Good boy. Ready? Ready? Good boy. Come on. 1 second. One more. Ready? Good boy. Ready? One more. Ready? Ready? Go. Come on, boo-boo. Rusty, boo-boo, take it. Rusty, take it, boo-boo. Good boy. Ready? Want to go one more? Go. Come on, boo-boo. You come out. Come on, boo-boo. Rusty, boo-boo, take it.
Both Rusty and Coco absolutely love their outdoor patio that we call the Catopia deck, and you can plainly see why. They both love the sun and get their daily sun tanning whenever possible. The life of Riley for cats, and they know it. Oh, the sun. How I love the sun. It's mealtime. Rusty Tiger, a loyal older brother to his adopted sister, Coco Chanel. Rusty chillin' with his family. Nap time for Rusty. Rusty indoctrinated into our New York Mets fan family. Relaxing together, watching the rain. Oh, how we cherish these moments again. Cherish your pets, as you never know what the future holds. Rusty looks healthy and great on this video recorded December 6, 2025. 2 weeks later, on December 20th, 2025, I am noticing a bulge at the bottom of Rusty's stomach and not eating or drinking as much. I immediately take Rusty to Dr. Stevens. Unfortunately, Rusty developed kidney failure, plus heart murmur became more severe. I was told Rusty would pass away before Christmas, and it was time to make a final decision. I asked to prolong his life to Christmas Day, and Dr. Stevens drained him with a catheter. I told Dr. Stevens that Rusty will pass away at home with his family so long as he's not in pain, in which he was not. Over time, I helped to drain Rusty's urine by pressing on his fastly growing bulge. My poor boy was so lethargic the past few days of his life. I found him Christmas morning lying in a spot he never lied before by the garbage can. I picked him up and held Rusty. Both my wife and I put him on his favorite blanket and made him as comfortable as possible as his sister Coco and I all watched with a vigil. Sadly, Rusty passed away in my arms at 1:39 p.m. on Christmas Day. It was the most painful Christmas of my life. 17 and a half years with Rusty was like raising a son only to see him die. I was unable to post anything to YouTube for 4 months as I was so emotionally devastated over losing my beautiful boo. A vet friend recommended Pet Angel for Rusty's cremation, and Maureen was professional, understanding, and friendly. Pet Angel offers 5-star customer service, and their urn and other items are top quality with very reasonable pricing. Rusty was brought in on December 26, and within 2 hours he was properly cremated. Here is Rusty's official cremation certificate. We selected this beautiful urn and impression paw print as Rusty will always be with his family at home, proudly honored and displayed. The beautiful staff at Stevens Animal Hospital sent us this personalized condolence card signed by every member of the staff with some wonderful personal notes about Rusty. We are blessed to have them as our vet. On January 2nd, 2026, a beautiful sign came to us through a magnificent orange sunset unlike anything seen before, as verified by many neighbors. As our Rusty Boo Boo died on Christmas Day, we feel that this sunset was a special gift, allowing God to show Rusty's presence and let us know that he is safe, happy, and sound in heaven, and he will be here waiting for us when it's our turn. Rest in peace, handsome, sweet Rusty. I am proud to share your life to the world. I love you forever and ever, my beautiful boo. One day we will meet again.